Dude, that's it. Can you see it?
What do you call that?
That's as bright as any star that's out now.
What's moving? That's about 200 meters above us.
That is so bright.
What would be flying over 200 meters above us?
It's not dimming at all, man. It's staying the same. It's not reflecting light, it's emitting it.
No noise.
That's beautiful.
What do you think?
Even the dogs are going off.
What do you think that is, man?
Look at that.
Looks like a, like a light ball. I've got that clearly on the camera.
The light hasn't changed at all. It's like that's what it is. It's solid light. It hasn't dimmed at all. That's crazy.
All those videos where the camera runs short and you don't get to see the ending.
Yeah.
Well, here's the ending. Oh! The ending is, it went past the trees.
Yeah, there it goes.
And there it goes, heading northeast.
That's still as bright as it was.
Oh, it's stopped
above
in the
us.
trees, look at that! And now it's gone. Well, there you go, everyone. That's the end of it. It's gone.